What the hell? Oh, the glow in the dark ball's got a big bulge in it. Show me the ball.
Today. All my knives are being here by tomorrow. You okay? Yep.
Okay, what was that?
The ball.
That's why I wasn't dribbling for him. That's why I said we had a little bit too much air. Scared the crap out of me. Did you hear it rip? I think that's the end of the ball. It's got less air in it now, so maybe we can make some shots. I think we put a little bit too much air. I don't have a straight. This is off. Yeah, I could buy a patch kit. I'm open. And some glue, and we'll be good. Yeah, go to Walmart and get another one for $5. Yeah. We will do that.
Can I go to Walmart now? Get shoes? We're right there.
Let's go to Walmart, buy another one. It's just right 2 blocks. I'm sucking tonight anyway, but I still want to make some shots.
Wanna go get a new ball?
Yeah, let's go get a new ball and some new shoes.
Now look at the ball's dead and he's getting them.
No, it had too much air in it and it was on.
Yeah.
No, he makes baskets.
Yeah, I guess it was the ball. Let's go to Walmart and get another one. You gotta get your shoes anyway.